Hello everybody! Today we have a really fun DIY that we did to keep the kids busy all summer long, and that is a giant slip and slide.
Slip and slides are always great when they're fast, so we chose a grassy part of our hill in the front of our property that works out great for this.
Putting this DIY slip and slide together is pretty simple. All you need is a roll of this plastic sheeting that comes in different widths and lengths. We grabbed 100 feet, and then we also grabbed some landscaping pegs that are made for the landscaping fabric, but we used them to hold the plastic down. We decided to mow down some of the thick pasture grass that would run along the sides of the slip and slide.
This makes it easier for them to walk back up to the top when they want to go back down again.
Right.
It's true.
So for whatever reason, we decided that we wanted to dig out, like, what would you say?
The middle of the track so that there'd be berms on either side for the water to stay in the middle of the slip and slide, since we just have plastic.
We weren't really sure how fast the kids would be moving down the hill, and so rather than go out and on some of the DIY slip and slides I've seen, they will put fun noodles or something. We weren't really sure if that would work. So to keep it safe, we decided to pile up some dirt and chisel out a channel for the kids to go down. Also, if you decide not to dig or mow, you do want to make sure you don't have any pokey weeds or plants that's going to be poking through your plastic.
We are quite ambitious to try to dig out the whole 100 feet for the water slide, so this will take quite a bit of your time if you just have a shovel. Better option is if you have a small tractor to be able to dig out the area you need.
So digging out the channel for the kids in the water to go down on the slip and slide is totally optional, and I think if in hindsight, if we were to do it again, we would just try leaving the grass.
At the bottom of the slip and slide, we dug out an area to pool up the water to slow them down once they got to the end.
This part is pretty much a necessity because especially if you have a downhill slip and slide, you need a way for the people to slow down so they don't go flying off the back of the slip and slide. We grabbed some additional stakes to try out. They were all landscaping stakes, and we will be linking everything we used in the description. The giant black plastic ones work the best, but they're also the most expensive, so you can just kind of choose which ones you want to try.
We folded over the plastic to double up the strength of the... Yes, the strength of the plastic so that it wouldn't rip out as kids would go down.
So to make the slipping and sliding more fun, of course, you need to add some concentrated dish soap, and then your slip and slide should be ready to roll.